This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 42 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from Marvel. In this issue, we are doing some more with the greater wrist area. If I say wrist, it's wrist on him, but on me it's, almost the entire body. So yeah, but first of all, of course, we're going to flip through the magazine and see about the Alliance of Rebels. Yeah, there we go. Rebels alliancing up together. Don't know who any of those are. Not recognising anything there. There we go. Feel free to pause and read all the words if you like. The centre of the forearm. That's what we're doing. We've got another base piece, and then just the centre of the forearm, which we're attaching to our other forearm piece. And that's it. Another little quick build. But it is all starting to come together. I think very soon we're going to start building the base as well, so that's going to be quite interesting. Nova, the human rocket, not rocket, the human, no, non-human, non-rocket. Yeah. Read all about Nova if you so desire. And then Marv Wolfen. I'm sure I've heard that name somewhere. It might well be from being graphic artist or something to do with the comics. Right, let me clear this out of the way and let's get this forearm a bit more centered. Yep. So today's parts, we've got another base, which we're not doing anything with as yet. I'll put that aside. We've got this front part, obviously, again, metal. We've got a pack of screws. So let's get 3 screws out, because that's what we're going to be using. 2, 3. There we go. Leave those for spare. And this is going onto the front of our centre wrist piece. It's going up there. A bit like that. That goes, sits over there. That goes over there, and it all lines up like so. I'm pretty sure next time we've got the same to do on the other side. But this one just needs to be attached at the moment with just 3 screws through here. 1, 2, and 3. Let's slip the middle one in place in there. Or not, as the case may be. There we go. That one there. Obviously all of these will be tightened properly once I can position this in an area where I can get better leverage to actually get all these screws in and done. So that's that 2, and this one over here is the 3rd one. Oh yeah, there we go. Apart from tightening up, that's another piece completed, adding to the overall size and indeed weight of this piece. So that's that. Another issue done, nice and easy. Join me for the next one, when I'm pretty sure we're doing the same on the other side, but we'll see what happens then. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.